Here we have the Snipe nose pliers. They are the shorter version of the chain nose. Makes them special, the lap joint with a screw that gives us the perfect symmetry tips that they give me especially a lot of strength to manipulate the jump rings, thin and thicker wire jump rings. I love that their minimal tip. I can take the jump ring, not only take it, but also manipulate them with delicate work to open and close them, but also with big jump rings and thicker wire gives me the perfect strength for a perfect match closure.